Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up double opt-in for emails in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's features and settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the gear icon. This icon represents your settings menu and is your gateway to configuring various aspects of your HubSpot account. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open up the settings panel. Once the settings panel opens, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see several sections listed vertically, and you need to locate the section labeled Tools. This section contains all the technical and operational settings for your HubSpot tools, including marketing, sales, and service features. Inside the Tools section, find and click on Marketing. This will expand the marketing options and give you access to all the settings related to your marketing activities within HubSpot. It's where you'll manage everything from email campaigns to automation workflows. Under the marketing section, you'll see several options listed. Look for and click on Email. This takes you specifically to the email configuration area where you can control how your email communications are set up and managed. This is the section where double opt-in settings are housed. Now, at the top of the email settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on Double Opt-in. This tab is specifically designed for managing your double opt-in process, which helps ensure that your email subscribers genuinely want to receive your communications and improves your overall email deliverability. Once you're in the double opt-in section, click the Add Language button. This allows you to create a double opt-in email in a specific language, which is especially useful if you have an international audience or need to communicate with subscribers in multiple languages. First, you'll need to select a language from the drop-down menu. Choose the language that matches your target audience. This ensures that the confirmation email your subscribers receive will be in their preferred language, making the opt-in process smoother and more user-friendly. Next, select a sender. This determines who the double opt-in email will appear to come from. Choose a sender that your subscribers will recognize and trust, as this increases the likelihood they'll complete the opt-in process. Then input an email subject line. This is the subject line that will appear when subscribers receive the confirmation email. Make it clear and compelling so recipients understand they need to confirm their subscription. Something straightforward like "Please confirm your subscription" works well. After that, select your personalization token. This allows you to customize the email with specific subscriber information, making the message feel more personal and relevant. You can choose tokens like first name or email address to make the confirmation email more engaging. Once you've configured all these settings, click Save and Activate. This finalizes your double opt-in setup and activates it for your email campaigns. Your double opt-in process is now live, meaning new subscribers will receive a confirmation email before being added to your list. And that's it. You've successfully set up double opt-in for emails in HubSpot, which helps you maintain a clean email list and improve engagement rates. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.